The delegate from Richmond, Delegate Adams.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I rise for an introduction.
Delegate has the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Members of the Assembly, today in the gallery, I have the honor of introducing students, family members, and teachers with Riverside School, located in Bon Air, within the beautiful community of Chesterfield County, which I represent. If you all could please stand. Riverside School is a shining example of education at its best, providing individually tailored instruction and support for children with dyslexia and language-based learning challenges. The children, parents, and teachers are here as part of Decoding Dyslexia Virginia Advocacy Day. It is estimated that nearly 1 in 5 Virginians are affected by dyslexia, and it is the most common learning disability in the United States. Today, I've had the privilege of listening to these amazing students ranging from 3rd to 6th grade as they discussed how the Orton-Gillingham approach to reading and learning at Riverside has unlocked their potential and changed their young lives for the better. I hope as they make their rounds, you will welcome them into your offices and that it will be the pleasure of this assembly to give them a warm house welcome.
The House wants to welcome the students.